Hi everyone, welcome to Cash Walks.
We were lucky enough to receive a small cash container, a 3D printed Acorn, which when you undo it has the logbook inside. And we received it from Team Comepiedras in Spain, and they gave it away as a draw for subscribers to their YouTube channel.
La que veis aquí, gira la ruleta.
Y el siguiente ganador es...
GeoRick Travels, unos seguidores de Nueva Zelanda.
Alex Dominic, GeoRick Travels y Golden84. Y los otros tres suplentes que...
We use Google's Auto Translate as their geovlogs are in Spanish. Comepiedras translates to Stone Eater.
Bellota. Es un caché bellota que hemos fabricado con una impresora 3D decorado a mano, que va todo preparado para colgar de algún sitio y con su logbook dentro. Así que es un caché preparado, listo para esconder, y que espero que os guste y que lo...
Yeah, and we're in Cornwall Park beside a wonderful old oak tree.
We're going to hide it here.
We have experience hiding caches in trees. We have a fake lemon on a lemon tree in Cambridge. It's a difficulty 3 when there are many lemons on the tree, and a 1.5 when they've all been picked. Let's head into Cornwall Park to hide the little acorn. Beautiful Putakawa tree lined avenue here. Parking here varies a lot, but you should be able to park close to the tree. It's over to the right. Cornwall Park has some of the largest trees in Auckland. At around 100 years old, this is a magnificent tree. The tree is on the Notable Tree Register, a native of Spain and North Africa. It's the largest oak in Cornwall Park. Let's go for a walk around it.
It's a magnificent tree.
Yeah, it's an amazing tree, isn't it?
It's just beautiful.
Even in the big trees of Cornwall Park, this one stands out as special.
Yep, it's wonderful.
Now, where to hide this geocache?
We looked at some large oak trees, but they were all too high to hide an acorn. But this one's a beauty because the drip line comes way down low. As you can see here, it goes way out to the edge, and it's nice to be able to put an acorn, easy to reach. Beautiful tree for this.
We've had the coordinates checked by the reviewer to see that the area is clear.
You getting out of the coordinates, Lynn?
Yes.
Just somewhere here, is it? Okay. Oh, looks like there are a few acorns in here. Maybe we can hide it in amongst these. Let's put it in here.
Yep.
Got a good spot here. Got a little bit of copper wire, so that shouldn't hurt the tree. And we're just going to just wire it on, so it's nice and safe. And there it is. Just dangling there as though it was an acorn. And if we open it up, you can see the logbook. Just a little tricky to get it screwed back in, but not too bad. And there it is. Nice and safe, ready for the first to find.
Oh, that's great.
Like our lemon in Cambridge, this one will vary with the seasons. Not sure yet how hidden it will be in autumn as the leaves fall.
Okay, the acorn's hidden away in Auckland. Let's go over to Spain and see what's happening there.
Team Comepiedras live in a small town located in the skirts of the mountains to the north of Madrid.
Hola, ¿qué tal?
Hola, buenas.
Un saludo al equipo GeoRick de Nueva Zelanda, que fueron ganadores del concurso de 500 Comepiedras y se llevaron un caché bellota. Y lo van a esconder, nos han dicho que lo van a esconder en un roble allí en Nueva Zelanda. Y van a hacer un vídeo de cómo lo esconden. Y para ello nos han invitado a que participemos en ese vídeo enseñándoles cómo son los robles aquí en España y concretamente un bosque de robles, que es donde estamos, en Miraflores de la Sierra, donde vamos a hacer mantenimiento a uno de nuestros cachés que precisamente tenemos escondido en este bosque. Pues nada, vamos a verlo.
It's winter in Spain at this moment, so no leaves on their oak trees. It must be very different here in summer when all the leaves are back on the trees.
There's that suspicious pile of rocks we all keep looking for.
Look it up.
Nice logbook. Similar swag to our geocaches. Let's head back to New Zealand.
Well, this brings us to the end of our cache walk. We hope you enjoyed the wonderful oak trees in Auckland, New Zealand and over in Spain, and the cute little container that's now hidden here for you to come and find. Thanks for watching.
And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up please, and don't forget to go geocaching.